everyone, this is Shannon Williams, your favorite tax strategist and your favorite realtor. So listen guys, if there is one thing that this tax season has taught me, it is that we have some amazing people who are capable of starting a business and putting their all into it and making sure that that business earns over six figures. However, another thing that is clear to me is that we get so caught up in that we forget to keep the proper records in order to making sure that we're not paying so much back in your tax bill. We're forgetting about the tax planning, right? Tell me if this sounds familiar, right? So you have put your mind to it. You've said that you are going to start this business. This is the year you're going to do it. And so through your efforts, your business does amazing. You are closing those deals. You are going out to networking events. You are showing up. You're staying up late. You're talking to new clients. You're closing new deals. And so because of your efforts, your business has earned $250,000, right? So you're excited. So you're going out on vacations. You're taking your family and your friends out, which is great. So now you sit down with your tax strategist, your tax professional, accountant, whomever, and they're like, yes, that is great that you actually earned $250,000, but now I need you to write a check to the government for $60,000 for your tax bill. And you're like, oh my God, what am I supposed to do with that? Where am I supposed to get $60,000 from? Because you didn't plan for it. You guys have been asking for this for 2 years straight, 2 tax seasons, so I am going to deliver. The Employee to Boss workshop is definitely going to save you thousands of dollars on your tax bill. So let's talk about some of the topics that we will get into in this workshop. Number 1, we're going to talk about mindset. You absolutely need to have a switch in your mindset when you're going from employee to boss or entrepreneur, okay? The second thing we're going to talk about is obviously tax strategy. We're going to teach you what a business expense is and how to make your everyday living, some of those things, a business expense as well. The third thing we're going to get into is bookkeeping. Your bookkeeping needs to be on point so that when or if the IRS actually questions some of those expenses, you have the correct bookkeeping and proof to make sure that they stick. We're even going to give you a bonus, guys. We're going to get into QuickBooks, okay? I can't tell you how many clients that we had this past season that were like, nope, we don't need to pay you for extra for bookkeeping services. All of our records are together. We use QuickBooks. And when we got their records, it was horrible, okay? And it wasn't their fault. It was just more so they didn't know what they were doing in QuickBooks. It makes no sense for you to pay for QuickBooks and not know what you're doing and still have to pay somebody to do your bookkeeping for you. So we're going to include that as a bonus. So with this employee to entrepreneur or employee to boss workshop, okay, we are not only going to teach you what to do, but we are going to show you what to do as well. So guys, stop waiting till the last minute. By the time you file again, the damage has already been done. You should be doing this stuff all year round, okay? Make sure that you're doing it now so that this tax season you put more of the money that you have earned in your pocket and stop paying so much back on your tax bill. Make sure you take the necessary steps, and it starts with the Employee to Boss workshop. See you guys there. Bye.